Credit card fraud is preventable if you block it early. Here are the 5 things that matter. Fraud protection starts with a realistic threat model. Your card isn't magically safe because it has a chip. Fraud happens in person and online, and banks miss plenty until you report it. Most fraud follows 2 paths: stolen card details used for purchases, or account takeover where someone logs in as you. Takeover hits harder because they can change info and lock you out. The outcome you want is simple: stop it fast and limit damage. To prevent the worst kind of fraud, you need to harden your account login like it's the front door to your money. A long, unique password blocks password stuffing, where thieves reuse leaked logins. 2-factor authentication adds a second lock, even if the password leaks. Keep recovery email and phone updated so attackers can't reroute them. Turn on login alerts, review authorized devices, and freeze your credit with all 3 bureaus to stop new accounts. For everyday spending, the safest move is to share less card data, less often. Digital wallets reduce exposure because many transactions use a device-specific token instead of your real card number. For online shopping, virtual card numbers let you generate a throwaway number you can close later. Transaction alerts help you catch fraud within minutes, not weeks. Use credit instead of debit, avoid public Wi-Fi checkout, and disable card not present use if your issuer allows it. Fraud that gets expensive is usually fraud you notice late, so your system should spot weird activity fast. Instant alerts for charges and declines shrink your response time to minutes. If you travel, add a foreign use alert so an out-of-country swipe stands out. Check pending charges daily, then reconcile posted transactions weekly. Pending is an authorization hold. Posted is final and dispute ready. Also know your statement close date, because after that, errors can hide for a full cycle. Most successful fraud starts as a social engineering trick, so the best defense is slowing down. Urgent texts push you to click before you think, and one-time codes should never be shared with anyone, including the bank. Avoid checkout on public Wi-Fi, and treat tiny charges like $1 as a test run before a bigger hit. Remove old cards from every website and app. If fraud happens, know your rights. Report fast and dispute unauthorized charges. If you catch fraud the same day, you usually stop the test charge from turning into a bigger loss. CreditCardAgent can also help you pick a card that fits how you actually spend and shows the estimated annual dollar impact versus your current card. Free, about 3 minutes, no credit check. Links in the description.